How to write product reviews for your blog. Writing a product review is a great way to not only drive targeted traffic to your blog, but it's also a chance for you to distinguish yourself as someone who truly cares about giving an unbiased review about products your reader might try out. However, there are some tips you should consider following if you're going to be writing successful product reviews. The first and most important rule that you need to remember while writing a product review is not to sell or push it. Instead of going for an aggressive tactic, simply stick to giving descriptions and opinions based on what you've experienced with the product. Now, second of all, you must keep your target traffic in mind and change your writing style according to that. For example, if you're selling some type of high-end electronics for experts, you'll want to keep the review very factual and straight to the point. Third, while it might seem tempting, you should refrain from pointing out that your product is clearly better than all the competition. Because, first of all, it simply sounds like a phony and cheesy cliche, and second of all, you'll actually give your competition some recognition, and your potential clients may be tempted to check them out. When writing a product review on your blog, people are mostly going to read it to find out whether your experience with the product was conclusive. So don't spend time being vague and making meaningless statements. Give your customers what they're asking for. And finally, remember to finish every product review with a mild call to action. The kind that would invite your potential customers to either learn more about the products or directly buy it. Otherwise, the people reading your content will simply be likely to go back to their search engine of choice and look for the product manufacturer's official website.